I want to shoot a photo of something, looking straight down at it or straight up at it, the iPhone can assist with this and make sure that the camera is level when taking the shot. This can be great if you're shooting items to put up for sale or if you're taking a photo of something with text on it, like a brochure or poster. I'm going to use this box for the board game Settlers of Catan. As I move over it to take a shot, a pair of crosshairs are added in the viewfinder as the iPhone gets close to level. Merge the two crosshairs into one, and the iPhone is now perfectly level. The camera is looking straight down at the subject. We end up with a perfectly aligned overhead shot of the box. Next, we're going to head out of the Camera app and into the Files app. From the Browse screen in Files, tap on the ellipsis button up here, and we can scan documents using the iPhone camera. As I hover over a page with the camera, the shot will be taken automatically. If the document has multiple pages, we can continue scanning. And when it's complete, tap the Save button. The document containing all the scanned pages is saved as a PDF. For more on using the Files app with an iPhone or iPad, check out its full tutorial.